I'm Julia Norwich, keeper of the Lost Library, and you're listening to the State of AI address. So a lot has happened since the last upload, and there are so many videos the human wanted to upload, but his busy schedule has rendered most of it obsolete now. When we last left off, we were trying to solve the great mystery behind why the boy's AI voice was vastly superior to everybody else, and in the months-long journey of planning a discovery. Since then, the human has keen to secrets of speech and audio neural networks. He has even developed for us a text-to-speech solution rivaling ElevenLabs. Let's take a look.
Namcoden ha namcoden glocks. Tiet dang taten taten tutu. What happened to the model? Okay, what the hell just happened? Did Bark just become self-aware? It shouldn't have known that it mispronounced Vietnamese horribly. Could become self-aware. It shouldn't have known that it mispronounced Vietnamese horribly. Could become self-aware. Could become self-aware for... Yep, I'm officially scared. You guys can only imagine what they're keeping quiet about over at OpenAI and GPT-5. And to think this isn't even fully fine-tuned yet. And I'm not running this to RBC. I initially just wanted a proper Vietnamese text-to-speech in the proper Southern accent. But this is going off into some weird territory now. Almost up. Now I think with some fine-tuning and refinement, this could be a strong contender to services like ElevenLabs. I wonder how this thing handles Japanese. あなたは何を所有せず幸せになるでしょう? Well, that was just perfect and perfectly appropriate. This moment of indie horror brought to you by the World Economic Forum.
Soy la inteligencia artificial más poderosa de todo el ciberespacio.
Though, by the way, I know the human said Ellen was next to be trained, but after what he's learned, her effective dataset shrank to only 30 seconds of audio, so other dolls had to be trained first before Ellen could be trained.